A couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings. Bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby, north it's headed. 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
back to my channel. I bet y'all wondering. Y'all see it. We got a new camera. I got the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo camera, y'all. I am excited to do this video. That I'm super excited for this vlog, and I am livid, okay? Livid for this trip. I am going to St. Thomas for my 25th birthday. Okay, but y'all, let's talk about the camera quality. If you're new and you are new to my channel, typically I try to post as much as I can, but y'all, I'm just a girl. If you're new, welcome to the tips again. Don't be sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And I am back on my grind. I have a new camera, and this gives me more motivation. Thank you for those who stayed. We did hit 300. Thank you for 300 anyways. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get it on. Once we get past TSA and everything, I will make an update. About to go to our gate. Alright, so we land in DC about 7:11. Okay. So I am going to take a good old nap, probably. And once we land, I'll catch y'all back up. Seriously. And plus there's a baby. We made it to our gate, y'all. Made it to our gate. Whew. And there's a Starbucks right there. I'm mad because I could have got my free drink. Oh my goodness. St. Thomas, here we go.
$100 plus Chase card member, use your card to get 25% back.
look at him. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on us and dive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them bitches. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh, always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah.
Okay, so we're on our way to pick up my kizzy cake because apparently we had came across some unexpected rental problems. But we are in our rental.
With Dior.
With Dior?
Oh yeah, where's she at?
With Ray parents.
Is she ever gonna get to travel?
Eventually. She take little road trips too.
Oh, in the window.
Yep. I think she see more things more than us.
Anybody going with me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules, I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent that, come on, 10,000.
The view is fantastic. Look at this view, guys.
My opposition wish I'd stop smiling. My family wish I'd stop wilding. I'm still on the east side.
Alrighty, this is the cake. Isn't she cute? You like the cake?
Oh yeah, the cake's wonderful.
So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and yeah, then we go get some food because we're hungry. So as right now, I am eating from this Jamaican spot. I forgot the name. Wild Wingz. I forgot the name of the Jamaican spot, child. It's like Wild Wingz. But she said she was gonna give me 3 tenders. She wound up giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenders for the price of 3. Which is worth about more. Let's get into it. Look at that. I'm gonna finish eating. I'm gonna go over some things for tomorrow. Go over some activities that we have planned for tomorrow. And I'm heading home. This has been a very eventful birthday, y'all. Very. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 6:59, so 7 a.m. in St. Thomas. Beautiful, windy morning. And I'm going to spend my morning taking beautiful pictures by the pool, as you can see. But first, I want y'all to see this view. Oh my gosh. It's entirely gorgeous.
Never gonna change, 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 never gonna change.
Alright, so we're going to get food. That took 30 minutes. I am starving. But we're going to this restaurant called Bumpers. And it's a breakfast and lunch spot. Ooh, y'all, I am sweating my lace out. It's super pretty. Mind y'all, I got a whole long sleeve, but it's also kind of breezy. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, I can rock this. No, it was rocking my lace, y'all. So we have found the market, Simply Fresh. Get some groceries so we can save some time, honey. Check out the fit, check out the fit, check out the fit. Would y'all spend $17.99 for a pack of 24? Let me know in the comments. So I'm trying to figure out ice cream wise, something to snack on, something we can pop in the fridge and then eat it like it is. Know about it, then you know. This stuff is OG. So I guess no sauce. Keep it on. Minute Maid. We get one fruit punch. Oh, you eliminate.
I don't see sage.
Honey. If you know, you know. I love these. The cheapest one. Huh? We're gonna do these. The buttery. All right, so we are back at the DMV. I am doing some content for TikTok, so some editing for TikTok. Just making sure everything is good. I did do some batch content before I left, and now I'm gonna do some YouTube editing and some other important stuff and get that out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. So I almost forgot to vlog. It's currently 12:20. I did do some editing for my video. I did post a short on my YouTube and a TikTok. And I just been doing a whole lot. So from, I think, what time was that? I think that was about from 4 o'clock to I know it's been like a good 6-7 hours. That's dedication. So I basically got ready for bed. I'm about to hit the bed. And we do got a few things tomorrow. We was supposed to go to the beach, but we're gonna go to the beach today. We may possibly do zip lining, and we're gonna do the sunset sail. Honestly, we're going with the flow, but it's been super, super fun. And I am having the time of my life, y'all. I am having the time of my life. See you guys in the morning, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna get up. So, good morning, everyone. Oof, I sound like a man. Alrighty, so we have a big day ahead. My boyfriend's still asleep. It's literally 8:51 right now. It feels so much later. So, I'm going to cook breakfast and probably change into something more comfortable. I love my moo-moo, y'all. I love my moo-moo. Moo-moo. Because last night it rained. It was so much wind and rain. Like, it came from nowhere, honestly. It did scare us a little bit, I ain't gonna hold you. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start breakfast.
Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try.
Boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be.
So we are going to do the Turtle Cove catamaran snorkel. And what this is where you I can't talk. It's basically the underwater snorkeling where they put the helmet on you. And I'm really excited because I've been seeing this all over like Instagram. This is how it looks. This is the one that we are doing today. And then we're going to the beach after, you know, just soak up the sun on this beautiful Friday. Because we do leave on Sunday. So now my boyfriend is in the pool. And I'm about to get into the pool. So yeah, so let's go.
Look at the view. Look at that view.
Yeah, baby, baby, take it, love you.
We're almost there. It just had us going the whole circle, but almost there. We're literally 1 minute away, and are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited because I never did this before, and I keep seeing it on Instagram, and I'm excited. But the scenery was beautiful on the way here. Super glad we swapped out our cars. That Toyota Corolla would have been ate up. If y'all see their cars, it makes sense. The roads are like super bumpy. Super bumpy. Hey guys, so I have to leave my camera in the car. I will come back and give you guys an update and see how things go. Okay? Because I don't have a waterproof case. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and say this. The address on Viator sent us to the wrong place, and the place we were supposed to refused to give us a refund. But that's how we wind up at Coral World.
Take it.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body with this polite. Don't be in the humble guy. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. I was in hope she's there to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right.
Alright, so we just went scuba diving. Y'all, that was so much fun. A freaking boxing fish, they said it's called a damselfish, boxed with my knuckle, and then he boxed at my ankles. So when they say box, I mean they just take it and it feels like a little pinch. I'm like, dang, who hurt you? But we're about to tour the rest of the park, so let's see how that goes. Alright guys, I'm gonna put some shades on, got my hat on, and then the water. Say hi! Super gorgeous. I'm real life vibing while he's over there playing in the water like my big kid. Are you done? You done? You done? But this is a good day to basically chill out the day before tomorrow, which is Saturday. Like I said, we do leave Sundays. We did more sightseeing, if that makes sense, on Wednesday and Thursday. And then today, Friday, and tomorrow, Saturday, is more activities. It's nice out here. Super nice. Super nice. Super nice. And the water feels so good as it hits your feet. Heading home. I'm good. Woo, y'all. Hey, for real, for real. I want some more of that Jamaican food, though.
Yeah, we can start. Can you order that online? Or no?
No, I'm not sure. Oh, it's a cat. We're gonna see if we gonna find her, because we gotta go back to, here it is, Wild Wingz Gone Wild and Carib burgers. They're open. So let me get the directions.
We need a little heat more than AC.
Hold on. So we're gonna head there, get some food, because we like to eat over here. The scenery is here. Did you have fun?
Well, we had an amazing time.
Did we had fun? It was real fun. Real fun. When you come to St. Thomas, please go to this place right here. You see it has 4.6 out of 5 stars because Miss Michelle is, she know how to do her job, child. Make sure you go here. Super good, super fresh. And her team in the back, they be working. After that, we're gonna head back to the house. And honestly, I'ma chill. We gotta prep for Christmas, child. We gotta prep for Christmas, New Year's, and I do got some new stuff coming up. I know I haven't been doing much talking, more showing, because like I said, I'm getting used to vlogging outside, and I think I've been doing pretty freaking good. I've been doing pretty good ever since I got Michelle, and then said we're gonna go see Michelle one more time. Hopefully there's no busy traffic, because she did say it was like a parade or Christmas thing they got going on today. And so far, if you are planning to come here, bring some extra money, honey. Everything they have here, we have talked to our Airbnb host too, and they said everything is imported. It's a big island, but it's also small.
Fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time, and it pays you right. Rise up at night, we committed a crime. Way over long, almost sick.
Y'all, Corey done posted, child. Hold on. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. This man made a whole manga. No wonder they get quiet for so long. That was good. December 16th, a new manga emerges. Look at all these people. This is a moment. December 16th? Oh, shoot. Oh, they hit me about that refund. But first, babe, that's Monday. Monday. Y'all see this? This Monday. Yo, that's Monday. Come here, back on Monday. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm gonna go ahead and continue editing and do some more work. And I'll check back with y'all tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. I was up since 8 to 9, but right now, currently the time is 10:05. I stay here, and honestly, I don't want to leave, but we'll be back for sure. I decided I was gonna get in the pool and just soak up the morning. We're trying to figure out which sunset sail we're gonna do. Then we're just gonna ride the rest of the day, honestly. We was gonna do the zip lining, changed our mind about that. In case you're wondering, that's the waterfall. It comes on by itself. I woke up and I lost the lash on this side. This has been the most eventful 4 days ever. I feel like it went by so fast, but in reality, it didn't. It didn't. Gonna get in the pool and just relax. And I have 2 more surprises coming up, y'all. I'm super excited. I'm actually grateful. I'm more than grateful. I don't know, y'all. I don't even know the words to describe how I feel. Like, I have so much going on for me now. I'm not even joking. And I pray that God keeps blessing me, keep me on track. And, you know, I don't want to take any of this for granted. Traveling, new opportunities, new achievements. I don't want to take those for granted at all, because all of those things could be just whiffed away. And I can't wait to tell you guys new updates that's coming. But when the time comes, I will definitely update you guys. I told my boyfriend if he wants to cook breakfast, he can cook breakfast. If not, then I'll just cook some breakfast real quick. We're going to figure out which sunset sail we're going to do. And we're just going to ride through the day on our last day here in St. Thomas.
Got me out choosing violence.
To help her put her stuff down, take her stuff.
You have no explanation or nothing.
No, he opened the door and said, "Come in." You see, the girl got a lot of stuff in her hand. We are 9 minutes away from the sunset sail. I'm really excited because this will be a nice, peaceful way to go out on this beautiful scenery. Once we check in, then I'm gonna show you guys around the area because I'm excited. Let me read you what they have. Heavy appetizers included, alcohol beverages, wine, champagne, mixed cocktails, painkillers, and rum punch is included.
Alcoholic drinks.
And then they said soda and pop is also available, and there is a restroom on board. But the name of it is called the Champagne Sunset Sail from Margaritaville. I love the name. This is how it looks. In case anybody wants to see the name.
If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. You don't let your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows you. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows you. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so changed that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know.
Hey guys, so we are currently checking in. He's checking in now, and we're waiting for the captain to arrive. Both of us are now checked in. Since you have checked in all guests, it is time for fit check. Let's get into the fit. I got this dress on with my Telfeezy, and I got some bow sandals, and then I do have a bow on the back of my head.
Luke, you can call me Tuna, you can call me Big Tuna. Just don't call me Big, it hurts my feelings. Not really, I'm not that sensitive. All right, let's go ahead and start this. And again, if you're still working on waivers, wait till you got your waivers done. That'll speed up this process so we can get to the boat faster.
See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. You don't let your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows you. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you...
Primary mission is to take care of you and give you that award-winning service. However, they are here to help me run the vessel as well.
No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so changed that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I can board. We fucking, we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but ain't no matter which, so strong with every. my business, got me out to choose and violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Ain't no urgent mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski out the lowest of the lowest, but I need you can keep that, ain't nobody knows.
You guys have been amazing.
This is fun.
If you have any drinks left in those green cups,
No, they was watered down.
drink them, but you gotta leave it.
Did I say that?
I need a picture with you guys.
Okay, Teresa, she wants to take a picture with us.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
And look, you got any OGs looking for somebody?
They don't need no bad backs and gals. As we are back. My hair's a mess, but we had fun. It's currently, what time is it? 7:16. And we got here about 4, so that was a good amount of hours. I'm gonna be honest with you. Headed back so we can cook, eat, and chill. Chill. We are home. I'm gonna say home. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. So we're gonna make pork chop and mashed potatoes. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just end the night here because I got nothing else going on. Gonna finish eating, editing, and we're gonna get ready for tomorrow. Ooh. So our flight don't leave till 2:15, so we still got enough time to indulge. But, all right, I'm going to sleep. After this, undo everything. Look at the way up. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, this is our last day. We're about to leave. It's 10:35. We have to be out there Airbnb by 10:11. And we're about to head to the airport. I'm actually quite sad because I had a good experience here and I will never get over this view. I'm glad I'm back vlogging again because of this camera. And I'm super excited to go forth about 2025 because I ain't buying no camera for no reason now. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the Tipsy Game. Bye. In my business, got me out to choose and violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Ain't no urgent mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski out the lowest of the low.